How to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only not loading. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on your profile that is on the top left corner. Tap on settings that is on the top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom and then under privacy control you want to tap on clear data. Scroll down to the very bottom here again and then tap on clear cache. Now tap on clear. After some time, all the cache of your Snapchat account will be deleted. Now tap on OK and restart your Snapchat account. So open up your Snapchat again and go to your profile on the top left corner. Tap on settings. Now scroll down, then tap on permissions under additional services. As you do that, you want to enable everything here. That is location, camera, microphone, notification, photos, contacts, and even clipboard. If you have not, just tap on tab to enable, that is in the red color, and then you'll be able to enable that. That might help fix the problem. Next thing that you can do is you want to go ahead and open settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Now here, search for Snapchat and tap on it. Go ahead and offload the app. By doing that, it might solve the problem, or else you can delete the app and reinstall it from App Store. Next thing that you can do is go to App Store and search for Snapchat to make sure it is updated. If the blue button right here says update, you want to go ahead and update it, and if it says open, you have the updated version. So that is how you can solve the problem of Snapchat My Eyes Only not loading. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.